If you've decided to close your Shopify account permanently, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website and entering your login credentials. Ensure you are logged in as the account owner. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on Settings located at the bottom left corner of the admin panel. From the Settings menu, select Plan and Permissions or Account. Step 3. Find the Close Account option. Scroll down to the section that mentions Account Status. Look for the option that says Close your store or deactivate your account. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Review the information. Read through the information provided about closing your account. This may include details about what happens to your data subscriptions and any outstanding charges. Confirm that you understand these points. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After reviewing the information, you will be prompted to confirm your decision to close the account. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the closure. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Once you have completed these steps, your Shopify account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be undone, so ensure you have saved any necessary information before proceeding.